In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shorten link in GoHighLevel SMS. If you're sending text messages to leads or customers, keeping links short and trackable is essential. Short links help your messages stay within character limits and make them look clean and professional, and they also let you see who clicked so you can measure results. Start by logging into your GoHighLevel account and opening your main dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct location or workspace if you manage more than one, because trigger links are created inside a specific location. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and open the marketing section. This is where GoHighLevel groups tools for campaigns, content, and tracking. Inside marketing, find and open trigger links. Think of trigger links as GoHighLevel's built-in link shortener with tracking baked in. They turn a long destination URL, like a booking page or a special offer, into a concise link you can reuse in texts, emails, and automations while automatically recording clicks. Create a new one by selecting Add Link. Give your link a clear, descriptive name that makes sense to you and your team, such as consultation booking or summer promo landing page. This name is internal, so use wording that helps you quickly find and reuse it later. Next, move to the link URL field. Paste the full destination you want people to land on, or choose the page if it's one you've already built inside GoHighLevel. Double check that the URL is complete, including the https://part, and that it loads correctly in a separate browser tab. A quick check here prevents broken links from going out in your text. When you're happy with the name and the destination, save your link. GoHighLevel will generate the shortened version and list it alongside any other trigger links you've made. From here, you can copy the short link and use it wherever you send messages. Because it's a trigger link, any clicks will be tracked, giving you valuable insights into engagement. A few quick tips to get the most from your SMS. Add a clear call to action right before the link so recipients know what to expect. Keep your message concise to avoid splitting into multiple segments, and always send a test message to yourself first to confirm the link opens perfectly on mobile. With this approach, your texts stay tidy, on brand, and measurable, so you can see exactly what's working and refine your outreach over time.